Magandang araw sa inyong mga kaguro. Ngayong araw ay may bago tayong update at tungkol ito sa DepEd, School MOOE Capitalization Threshold increased to 50,000. Para malaman ang buong detalye, please watch this. DepEd, School MOOE Capitalization Threshold increased to 50,000. In a Facebook post on June 4, Saturday, the Department of Education DepEd announced that the budget for maintenance and other operating expenses MOOE has been increased to 50,000. The MOOE budget can now be used to buy for any supply or item not exceeding 50,000. DepEd Undersecretary for Finance Annalyn Sevilla confirmed. According to the post, the development was confirmed after the issuance of the Commission on Audit (COA) of the corresponding guideline for the increase in capitalization threshold for semi-expendable property from 15,000 to 50,000. This new provision will allow more flexibility for the schools and offices under the agency to directly procure printers, laptops, tablets, and other important items to help in their daily operations as well as in the conduct of classes. DepEd said. Sevilla added that this will enable field offices and schools to buy the exact items they need when they need it. Yun lamang ang ating update ngayong araw. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Bifam salamat.